Joyce from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. Today I'm going to talk to you about the pros and cons of removing leaves from your tomato plants. Now, there's probably a few more pros than cons, but we're going to talk about certain leaves on the tomato plant. So if you take a look at this plant here, you'll notice in where the leaves come off the main stem, in the little crook or the little elbow here, there's little suckers, and they come out here. Now these are not productive leaflets, so what you'll want to do, and it's probably just the easiest thing is to use your bare hand and your fingers, is to just pinch these little suckers off and get rid of them. There's one here, there's another little one coming up here, and one here. And what this will do is it will actually promote more of the growth horizontally in the plant, as well as put more energy that the plant is getting from the soil and the nutrients in the soil into fruiting, as opposed to just having a lot of leaves. Now, tomato leaves can be really pretty, but you can't eat them, so I'd rather put my energy into the fruit that's coming on the tomato plants. Now, a con for taking off leaves, and you want to be careful if you're going to be pruning tomato plants, is that it does open up the plant for insects, for mildew, other funguses or fungi to attack the tomato plant. A lot of tomatoes are really sensitive to the environment, and it's like an open wound in the plant. So if you're cutting too much off or too deep, you actually make the plant vulnerable, and the potential is that it will die or not produce as much fruit as it should. So those are kind of the pros and cons. I'd say stick to pinching off the little suckers, and unless you have a big branch that's getting in the way of something, leave the rest of the plant alone for the season so it can do its thing. If you have any other questions about how to care for tomato plants, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.